Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payroll earnings and manage W-2 withholding impacts, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your payroll management system. Navigate to the payroll or earnings section. Select the pay period for which you wish to withdraw earnings. Review your total earnings for that pay period. Click on the Withdraw or Request Payment option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the payment method you prefer, such as direct deposit or check. Submit your withdrawal request. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification. Keep an eye on your account for the processed payment. Next, understand how your withdrawal impacts your W-2 withholding. Withdrawing earnings can affect your taxable income for the year. Review your current W-2 forms and withholding allowances. Consider adjusting your withholding if your earnings significantly change. To adjust your W-2 withholding, access the tax withholding section of your payroll system. Make the necessary changes based on your new income level. Consult a tax professional if you're unsure about the adjustments. Save all changes and confirm your updated withholding. Allow a pay period or two for the new withholding to take effect. Monitor your next W-2 to ensure withholding reflects your adjustments. By actively managing your payroll earnings and W-2 withholding, you can maintain better control over your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.